This video is sponsored by Zoology App. Zoology App provides a lot of material about zoology for free. Link is in the description. Let's start the video. Open vascular system is found in A. Man, B. Fish, C. Prawn, D. Snakes. Correct answer, C. Animal possess canal system. A. Sponges, B. Annelids, C. Mollusk, D. Echinoderms. Correct answer, A. Incomplete divided ventricle can be seen in the heart of A. Amphibians, B. Reptiles, C. Crocodiles, D. Fish. Correct answer, B. Heart of crocodile is A. Single-chambered, B. Two-chambered, C. Three-chambered, D. Four-chambered. Correct answer, D. Pulmonary artery originates from A. Right ventricle, B. Right auricle, C. Left auricle, D. Left ventricle. Correct answer, A. Deoxygenated blood is carried in A. Pulmonary artery, B. Pulmonary vein, C. Carotid artery, D. Aorta. Correct answer, A. The pacemaker of the heart. Hint, SA node-AV node and his Purkinje fibers. A. Bundle of his, B. AV node, C. SA node, D. Purkinje fibers. Correct answer, C. Which of the following is different from others in the absence of muscular coat? A. Arteries, B. Veins, C. Capillaries, D. Arterioles. Correct answer, C. Pulse speed is measured from A. Artery, B. Vein, C. Capillary, D. Nerve. Correct answer, A. The membranous covering of the heart is A. Meninges, B. Pericardium, C. Pleura, D. Peritoneum. Correct answer, B. Edema is caused by A. Increased in capillary pressure, B. Increased permeability of the capillary walls, C. Decreased rate of return of lymph, D. None of these. Correct answer, C. Blood pressure is measured by A. Electrocardiogram, B. Stethoscope, C. Clinical thermometer, D. Sphygmomanometer. Correct answer, D. Blood flows through sinuses in A. Open circulation, B. Portal circulation, C. Closed circulation, D. Systemic circulation. Correct answer, A. Blood vessels taking from the lungs to the heart are A. Pulmonary artery, B. Aorta, C. Portal veins, D. Pulmonary veins. Correct answer, D. Which organ receives only oxygenated blood? A. Lung. B. Liver. C. Spleen. D. Gill. Correct answer, C. Thanks for watching.